In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant access to this game is suspended. So the very first thing that you have to do here is to log in into your account uh, in this following link, which is support-valorant.riotgames.com. Once done, let's go ahead and go to our first step. So for our first step here, just click on submit a ticket, and that should redirect you to this page, and here choose a request type. Just click on discuss personal suspension or restriction, and the site will reload. Here in the subject, just add the following subject, which is my account got suspended slash banned. Your riot ID here. You can find your riot ID in your Valorant account in the Valorant section. Just right click on this and just open link in new tab. And here just click on it again and choose Valorant here. And here you may be prompted to enter your verification code in the email. Just check for that, and once done, go ahead and go to your My Account and go to Settings. Here in your settings, you will be able to see your right ID. Just copy this and input it here. Once done, you could just add the following description. Here, just add hello Valorant, my account got suspended slash banned, requesting for your help on this to get back my account. The next in these, please select your inquiry. You could just click on discuss game ban. Here, which duration of penalty did you receive? You could choose the following a penalty you receive here. An example, 1 to 7 days. And here, do you know why your account got suspended? You could just choose here, unsure, if you're really unsure. And here, Valorant recently introduced right voice evaluation system. Here, if you didn't receive a penalty for voice chat, no, let's click on no. If not, and here in attachments, you could just drop down any screenshots of your account or the actual ban notification. Yeah, but if you don't have any attachments at all, that will be okay. And just click on submit, and that should create a ticket for you to recover your account. And yeah, one more thing. If the you'll only be able to recover your account if the ban or the suspension is not caused by you, or you didn't use any inappropriate words or any third-party softwares to do other things in Valorant. Yeah, but that's how you recover your account. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.